morning, you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday. I'm starting my day off with some kefir. This is like the ultimate probiotic, they say. So I'm going to start it off with this. Mavi says hi. I've had kefir before, but the strawberry one I haven't had many times. I think maybe just once, and I usually drink the non-flavored kefir. So I'm going to start off with this. We have a lot to do today, so stick around. I need more space and security. Your space will either support your productivity or stress you out, and lately I needed a reset. So I wanted to upgrade my workspace to be more functional, but still very much myself, and get some storage for my books as well. Meet my newest solution, the Sedeta 2-drawer file cabinet with lock and charging station. It honestly was a game changer for me. It has a built-in charging station, so no more messy cords. The lockable drawers keep all of my important documents and personalized items secure. There's also space for file organization, which instantly made my workflow feel lighter and all of my mommy duties. At the top, it also has a storage unit that is doubling as a bookshelf for me, and the keys make it that much better for securing our documents that are really important. I also love that there's a 4 divider compartment at the very top of it, which serves as anything that you'd like for it to be. And not to mention the lighting, it just makes it that much better. It looks so good at night when I turn the lights on and I'm working in my office. Honestly, when your space is more together, you feel more together ultimately. Your mental state is more together. And if you're ready to upgrade your workspace the way that I did, I'm going to leave the link for you below. A huge thank you to Sedeta for sponsoring today's video and helping me get my life together and organize my office.